yeah. What's going on, everyone? We are back at the quarry today with the Outcast 8S. Last time I was here, I said I wish I had a rake or a shovel, but I don't have a bulldozer. So I bought a shovel. These are the two divots right here that I just smoothed out to give a beautiful run up to this ramp right here. And what you don't know is that I just spent an hour recording this with my lens cap on. So we're gonna see how it goes. I just did smooth it out a little more. We have a huge run up here. I smoothed out the landing a little bit. It's in the shadows now, unfortunately, because I forgot to take my lens cap off. But with that said, let's see what we can do on this beautiful night. Enjoy the beautiful scenery in this big quarry. Let's do some big jumps. Oh yeah. I'll go back to the other side so there's not too much dust. Nice smooth run up. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. That's not what I'm talking about. I cannot believe. Ooh, we cracked something. That's not good.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
So the question is, did I crack that from a hard landing, or did I crack that when I landed nose down in the ground from 30 feet? I'm willing to guess it was the latter, but that is the first thing we've broken on here. But since I missed so much recording, I'm gonna keep driving it. I did bring a rope in case it breaks and it's not drivable, because I don't want to carry this thing half a mile. So I can drag it. And now for the epic flip. And the epic crash. I love this thing. But I probably can't keep driving this with that cracked swing arm. I mean, all right, one more flip. I didn't come all the way here just to do that. Let's make it a good one. I mean, it's still driving. I mean, obviously it's not good on the rest of it, but we'll do one more. All right, we'll do one more.
Another one.
Let the dust settle. Get lined up. We'll try and take a nice steady pace. And here we go. Oh yeah. That's it right there, with a broken swing arm. Well, if it's still running, might as well just keep going, right? Man, these things get filthy. Nice smooth run up. Oh my God. We ran out of spin. Upside down. But like I said, it's kind of soft sand. All right, guys, last jump of the night, coming out of the dust. That wasn't good. One more. Oh, that's a good like 40 feet probably. These things are nuts. I never realized that these things could jump so high, and this is not even the extent of what they can do. Oh my God, I lost a battery on that one. That battery almost came unplugged. Man, all this dust in here cannot be good for these gears. Talk about friction, things grinding, but that's why you can replace anything. And it's part of the fun of the hobby. I remember when I broke my first RC plane, I literally cried. And then I had so much fun rebuilding it and painting it. And I never got upset. Well, I shouldn't say that. I've gotten upset when I crash things, but I never got that upset again. I'm sure a lot of people can relate to that. Oh, I lost my battery, balance protector. Jeez. We're gonna have to give this thing a good look over when we get home and a shower. What pisses me off the most about having the lens cover on is this is all in the shadows now. It doesn't come through the camera as well. And that's why I made an effort to get here earlier, only to record for an hour with the lens cap on. But, learned my lesson. One last one. We're gonna get more run up. Oh, God, that got a little squirrely. I don't want to end it on a bad one. So again, last one. There we go. Well, I'll call it a successful outing. Found a way to carry a shovel in a backpack. Didn't record a lot of the good jumps, but I did have a second camera going. I may be standing in the way of the camera, but hopefully it picked it up good.